Hi everyone, it's Joanna. I'm going to try to get my desk sorted, my workspace. So this is what it looks like at the moment. It's quite messy, but I want it to be a bit better. And I'm going to organize everything because I'm working from home and I don't know, I've got so many things here that are driving me a bit nuts. So I want them to be a bit better organized. I'll show you my work in progress. I think I'm going to do something about my planner stuff here, and I've got this box full of things there which I'm going to just declutter, and then I want to organize all my my books and stuff for work. So yeah, I'll show you my workspace in a minute or two or more. I'm starting off by sorting out my pens and seeing which ones can write and which ones can't, which ones have dried up. And then I'm going to put the pens that are blue, red, boring pens and pencils in one mug. And then this is my mug. I got it from, what's it called? The Card Factory. I'm so fabulous. Even the bags under my eyes are designer. So I'm going to put my boring pens in there and then more fun things in another cup, and we'll see how that goes. I'll show you my pen organization first. If you're in the UK, this is what I'm using, wood silk. I don't even know if this is proper wood, but it does leave the desk nice, and it smells really nice, and it gives it a little bit of a shiner. It is a little bit greasy, so I wouldn't recommend like cleaning your desk, using it on your desk and then working straight away. You should leave it, let it dry. So I have two boxes. This one has like miscellaneous things like staples, a stapler, some Tipp-Ex, some more Tipp-Ex, a marker, and then some post-it notes. So these are just extra stationery bits and bobs that I need that are boring. And then I have my important things. So I have my cream, which is for my eczema, and instead of having to get up, I just use it here. I have a little hanky, my medication, something that's really popular these days, hand sanitizer. I have some floss. I have blue tack, some hair ties, what is this called? A lighter. So yeah, all these random bits and bobs that don't go anywhere are in here. And I know that I can, open this little box and use it whenever I need it. And then I will show you my pencil mug number 1, which I always like putting a little flower in it. I'll show you like this. So I have all my pencils and my pens, blue pens and red pens and black pens. And then I have my scissors and this little cute pen. I like to put cute pens and little straws in them as well, just to make them look pretty. So that one's going there, and I'm going to add more stuff and show you in a bit. Okay, now on my desk I have a little drawer. The ones you get from the works. And I just have like more miscellaneous things like paper clips, a sharpener, some sellotape, some post-it notes. That's one. I'll show you my next one. Sorry about that. And then my other drawer has erasers and some soup, some glue. And I now have another box I got from the works. And in here, some more Tipp-Ex, a big sharpener, another hair tie because, they just vanish. And I have this one here as well. I'll just chuck that in there because I don't know where all my hair ties go and die. So that's that. I'll show you in a bit my whole desk. Okay, so this is my workspace. Let me just show you the top. Now, I have junk that still needs organizing. And under my desk, I have my Christmas tree, so I'm going to move that. And I have my stationery stuff, my planner stuff over there, but I'll show you everything else. So, in this corner, I have my pens and my things I showed you earlier, some books. I have my laptop down here, my mouse. I have some folders that I need, and then I have my little microphone and headset because working from home I need to use that. I have a little coaster. I got this from my mum's shop. My mum has a tourist shop and it's really pretty and I like it, and I put my coffee on there. Then I have these to-do lists. So this one, I think I got this from John Lewis a while back. It's really pretty though. It's got really nice paper in it, and you just write your to-do things. And then this was in the Lollipop subscription box, and I really like it and I've used it. And then I have some more things here. And let's move on. And then I have my planner things over here. So my happy planner, a notebook, my color, what is it called? Color Crush, Webster's Pages, my Filofax, sticker book, a travels notes pad, whatever it's called. I haven't used that. Another pretty notebook. And then I have the little drawers. I have a hole punch, a 6 for my personal planner, which I haven't used yet, but I will, because I'm going to get back into my planning. I don't know what I'm going to be planning though, because now with the corona, I'm not going anywhere, but anyway. And then, this is my lamp, which I got from Wilko's. I've got some junk on the side there, which I'm going to organize later on. So yeah. Oh, and then here I have another little sharpener, a little macaron. I have some tissues and some post-it notes. Here I have a little pencil case with all my necessary things. So if I can't find my pens, I just grab that. A fake plant from Primark, my speakers, the other fake plant. This is a pen my sister got me ages ago. Some erasers. That one is a flip-flops, and that's a teacup with a tea. And then these are from Primark. Some of my books, if you're interested in books, let me know. I would really like to film like a book club video or some kind of let's read together. You can see that my books are, you know, kind of on the light side. So yeah, that's my desk. So that's all for now. Let me know how you have your desk organization. I had bought this desk, if you're wondering. I got this desk for like £15 from the community furniture store. So that was a great deal. And yeah, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Stay safe. Wash your hands, as everyone says. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.